When life gives you zucchini, turn it into zucchini ravioli. Thin slices of zucchini take the place of pasta here, wrapping up that ricotta filling. And as with all of my recipes, these are vegetarian, but I do include something in the filling that makes them higher protein. All right, here's how to cook them. Cut the ends off of the zucchini and then slice it very thin. You can use a mandolin for this very carefully. You can use a vegetable peeler, or you can use a knife. Now, zucchini has a lot of moisture in it, so you're gonna lay it on paper towels and then sprinkle those with salt. That's gonna help to draw the moisture out of the zucchini. While those are drying, let's make our filling. Butter beans add some protein to the recipe, and they also give the filling a bit more substance. And the rest is just our usual suspects: some ricotta, egg, Parmesan cheese, and basil. Okay, now let's assemble the zucchini ravioli. It's actually super easy. You're just gonna lay the zucchini like this, sort of making like a cross, put that filling in the middle, and then wrap the zucchini over the filling. It's gonna make little squares like this. We are making a version of my Marry Me sauce to cook the zucchini ravioli in. It's marinara, sun-dried tomatoes, garlic, and cream. Pop each ravioli into that sauce. It's okay if some of them overlap. Then pop that whole thing in the oven until the sauce is bubbling and the zucchini are browning at the edges. Whether your garden is just exploding with zucchini at the moment or you're looking for something lower in carbs, this recipe has got you. Happy cooking!